All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a first look at video at Demon Drop 001 Circuit Drums. Very limited time. You can grab this for free. So this is a rarefied collection of electronic drums created from analog and vintage modular sources, processed through classic vintage equipment, housed in an extraordinary interface designed to dial up the demon in your drums. So there's 8 drum kits in here. This is really cool because there's actually key switches too for effects, and there's these graphics on the plugin itself, as we'll see in a second here. This is obviously from the website. Little description of everything here. Let's just jump into Logic here and check it out. All right, so the interface is rather large, not even fitting on my screen here all the way. Maybe there's a thing here in the corner to make it smaller, but who knows. So basically this is pretty cool. We got a volume, we got a tune knob for each drum, we got this limiter here, we got this button here which adds some extra flavor, and then we have all these cool effects here that we can trigger from our MIDI keyboard as well. And we also have something here that kind of turns to like a speaker, very lo-fi, loses a lot of bass. We'll check this out. Let's play a beat here. Now for this delays and stuff, there is settings up here where you can set repeats and volume and stuff and all that kind of fun stuff. We'll just leave it at default for now. And this is where you change the presets. We can pause the little visual too for whatever reason. Change the kit here. I'm just using the keyboard to trigger these effects. Try a different preset here. Try a different beat. Very cool. Very cool, just messing around with some beats here. And so yeah, really cool. So when I have that loop thing on, I hold down a note, just repeats. Very cool. Very, very cool. Check it out. I don't know how much it's going to cost or how much it costs. If you're probably watching this after the fact, it's only free for a few days. And I guess they're going to do a series of the Demon Drop. So you could check out other ones. Maybe they'll be giving some other ones away for free. I don't know. So check it out. Really cool plugin. Talk to you soon.